HVAC pros, ready to heat up your operations and cool down the chaos? Once you log in, your day is organized and waiting. View every upcoming job with full descriptions. Even AI-powered diagnostics to save you time before you even step on site. With a single tap, you're clocked in and ready to go. Start work orders instantly. No paperwork, no delays. Add notes, photos, and updates as you go. Whether you're troubleshooting, inspecting, or installing, everything gets logged in real time. Need to pause a job? Mark it on hold and leave a reason, like waiting on parts. Everything is tracked so nothing slips through the cracks. When you're back on the job, just tap to resume. It's smooth, simple, and made for how HVAC techs actually work. Add your final comments, wrap up the visit, and mark the job complete, all while your office gets updated instantly. Need to check a customer's history? It's all here. From address and phone number, to past invoices and job notes. You're never in the dark. See all your technicians' activities for each job, all in an easy and simple to read chronological order. No more guessing, no more digging through files. And with built-in performance tracking, every tech can stay on top of their own stats. ClimaCall is more than a mobile app. It's a better way to run your HVAC business. Smarter scheduling, faster payments, happier customers. Start your free trial today at ClimaCall.com.